Guys, here is a wonderful Christmas present to have, and it's going to save your life. A new fire alarm system for your building. If the current system fails, because a working fire alarm system will mean the difference between life and death if there were ever a fire in the building. We can all put the toys and things that we want for fun for Christmas aside, and we need to focus on the things that we really need to keep building occupants safe in case there is an emergency. Like getting a new fire alarm system for your building if the current alarm system is broken, because a malfunctioning fire alarm system will put building occupants in real danger. This thing is serious. So, why aren't buildings getting a new fire alarm system installed over the holidays? Because the money is being paid towards things that we want but we don't need for safety. And this is what you really need. You need to spend money on getting a new alarm system for your building if the current system is not working, because this is going to save lives. People that neglect to upgrade their alarm systems when they don't work are putting lives in danger. So, I hope building owners can raise money to fix the fire alarm system or put in a brand new fire alarm system. If the current system is broken or malfunctioning, because this is going to save lives. So this is totally worth it if it's going to save lives. of the people that you care about the most. Bye.